This is a 10-minute walking at home workout with Lucy. So as your qualified trainer, not AI, I am real, I've created you some of the best indoor walking exercises. 10 minutes, it flows from one move to another. It's going to get you in your best health. So if you're ready, let's start walking at home. So all you need to do is just follow along. And for our first move, we're just going to do this little side step. So just step from side to side, add that little bend through the knees. Also really use your arms. So you can see on the right, you've got your 10-minute countdown clock. On the left, that arrow there, that represents how long we're doing each walking exercise, which is going to be approximately 30 seconds. So just keep going, that lateral side step. So this is all low impact today. We're just doing these easy walking exercises at home. So for your next move, we're going to walk forward and just give me that little toe tap. So just walk back, then walk forwards, give me that little toe tap and that bend through the knee. And the great thing is today, it's non-stop cardio. So we're just going straight from one move to the other. So we tap forwards with that leg. So it's just that little bend. And you can add in that clap. So for your next move, this time now, we're going to just do a really, really fast power march. So how my indoor walking workouts support you on your health journey is, first of all, they're so easy. We can do them at any time of the day. And the great thing is these are all low impact. So these are really friendly on your joints. They're going to help with your heart health, which is the most important of all. Great for weight management. Also really good for just our well-being and our energy levels. So for your next move, this time now, just give me these heel digs and then a full arm swing. Also, these are really good because whenever we do that low impact walking, it's weight bearing. So it's great for your bone health, your muscular strength. Also really helps with your balance, coordination, digestive health, energy levels, and even promotes what we say is consistent habits. And as we know, that is a key. All right, so for your next move, this time now, step forward and just give me that high knee lift. And the great thing is these are always free. You can do them every day with me because what we're doing is we're just looking after your health. So just step forwards, drive that knee up. Nice control. That's good. Keeping that going. And you'll feel that working through your core, especially as you really extend that leg up, swing through with those arms. All right, so for your next walking exercise, this time now, we're going to do this little side step, but just push those arms out to the side. So this is really good here to work through the back of the upper arms, triceps, and this here. So we're just really helping with tone. It's also really good for your shoulders and your upper back, and just push those up. And the great thing here, we're still walking, we're toning your arms, but we're also working your heart, making your heart work a little bit harder with these arm exercises. So this time now, what I want you to do is just follow along. Doesn't matter if you're not in time or if you're doing it slightly differently. I've got no rhythm. As someone said the other day, I can't dance. I'm not trying to dance, just trying to exercise, but we're just going to have fun. So all we're doing is just open and close with the arms and just step that, and you can take it side to side, or you can always just keep it marching on the spot. The beauty with exercise, it is just about moving your body and moving as many different joints and muscles as you can. Right, let's give some power in these punches. Punch in front, tap that foot behind. Give me that nice controlled move, and just think what you're doing here. You're getting stronger. You're doing what is the best thing to do every single day, is invest in your future health. This one here is really good to work through the chest. So for your next move, this time now, tap the foot behind. And what we're going to do is just imagine that, I don't know, we're rowing or something. Just take both arms from side to side. And by doing that little twist just means then we're really working through the waist. And if you want to, I've got so many blogs on healthy living on my website, lwrfitness.com. I've got recipes, free 7-day eating plans, nutrition advice, motivation, lots on there. So next move now, let's just take that to that knee drive coming up. Just power that knee up, keep that upper body nice and straight. I'll leave a link in the description down below for my website so you can have a look at the blogs. So just keep that going. So upper body is straight. Really feel that working through the abs. Drive the knee up. And we're now halfway through this workout. So for your next move, what I want you to do is do 2 side steps and now come up onto your heels and just do 2 tiptoe walks. So it's quite hard, this one, but just get used to it. So you're staying on your tiptoes. So go 1 and 2. Now come up, heels up, travel that across and then back down. And let's go 1 and 2. Now up on your tiptoes, travel that 1 and 2, take it down. That's good. All right, so that one's really good to work through the calf muscle gastrocnemius and now working a little bit more through the front shin muscle, the soleus. So just give me those heel digs, just bend through with those arms. And what I like to do as your trainer is try and each week just give you a different video, a different variation, mix it up, keep it fun. Just keep adding that heel in front. So we're just working that muscle down the front of the leg through the shin. That's good. So for your next move, this time now, let's drive those knees up, but really take those arms up nice and high. So this is really going to get the heart rate up. And again, it's that constant low impact walking exercise, no rest in between. And if you have monitored how many steps, as always, just let me know in the comments down below. That's good. Swing those arms up nice and high. So for your next move, this time, let's just walk to the corner and give me a kick. Walk to the corner and give me a kick. And it's all just about keeping those feet moving. So we're just increasing that step count at home. And just adding that variation of moves just means then we're working your entire body. So it's like a total body workout. And because we're doing these standing, we're really engaging your core. So it's a bit like a standing ab workout with all these moves. So for the next one, just imagine you are swimming. So we're just going to do these fast feet marching, but just swim with those arms. And just imagine you're trying to get those shoulder blades to squeeze together as you take those arms back. As always, just try and land nice and softly with those feet. Good, we're just nearly finished. We've got under 2.5 minutes to go. So let's bring it back now. Fast feet. I want you to march as fast as you can now. So we're trying to really get that step count up. And the great thing is, because this is a safe exercise, it's low impact. We're not using weights. We're just focusing on body weight, which is just as effective, still strengthens the bones, tones muscles. This you could do in the morning, you could do it at lunchtime, you could even do it later in the day. That's good. Just keep going. Fast feet, doing really well. All right, so for your next move, this time now, just give me a little hamstring curl and just squeeze those arms back. So you can do it as fast as me, or if you want to, just go a little bit slower. The great thing is you're exercising at home. I'm just giving you suggestions. You can tweak these and make these workouts work for you. Just push back with those arms. So here again, we're working through the deltoid, through the shoulders. We're also activating the hamstring and glutes. So for your next move, tap that foot right across. And if you can, then add in those arms. So this one here is really lovely now at working through your inner and outer thighs. Plus, as we're doing that swing, that little rotation, we're activating your waist muscles, your internal, external obliques, and all through those abs and your core. Good, just keeping that going from side to side. Really lovely move. So we've got less than a minute to go, and for the last couple we're just going to do these little side steps. So just give me that side step and that little bend. Really lovely move here. Just again, step that out nice and wide. And the great thing is today we've worked your body in 3 different directions. We've worked the sideways, front, and doing rotation as well. Keeping that going. All right, so we're ready for your last move. Now for this one, just give me this high knee drive. Drive that knee up. That's good. Nice, powerful legs here, and just really swing through those arms. Keep that going. Let's really just keep going to the end. And always let me know in the comments down below if there are any specific home workout videos you'd like me to create for you. So well done. Now, if you want to do a quick 5-minute upper body workout, seeing as your body is nice and warm, you can click here and go straight to that video. If you're finished for today, in the description down below, you'll find my cool down stretch. But really well done. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.